What's up guys, Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made a very simple 3 meals healthy Indian dish called chicken tikka masala. Check it out. Alright guys, I really love this dish. It's so easy to make surprisingly, and it's so creamy and flavorsome. Your entire family will love it. The best thing about chicken tikka masala is that most of the ingredients in this recipe, even though it's really long, but don't get put off with it, is that you can actually find them already in your pantry. Otherwise, you can always go for a grocery run because you can find them super easily, especially living here in Asia. It's a bonus guys, so make sure you use it. I gotta admit though, okay, because this chicken tikka masala is not 100% authentic recipe. It's kind of chicken tikka masala-ish. Alright, because the real authentic chicken tikka masala, of course, you gotta use yogurt, really good yogurt with it. You gotta marinate the chicken in the tikka yogurt sauce for a couple of hours. But for me, I really don't have the time, and I thought it's a better way for you guys also to try it if you don't have time to spend so much time on preparing healthy meals. So this is a good solution and a good alternative. So if you really want something fast free, you're craving for Indian food, then maybe this is something you would like to try. I've also added in some chopped tomatoes in this recipes because that's a really good vegetable boost. We all need that vegetable boost guys, alright? So make sure you get them in. It's so easy guys. I hope you try this at home. Make sure you grab a piece of paper and a pen and then find out what you need right next with the ingredient list. Got everything guys? Let's get started. Tuning in this week's recipe. I really hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy my videos and like my content so far, I really appreciate a subscribe. Do press on the subscribe button right here on my right. Alright, if you do love it, please come back next week with a new cheap, healthy and nutritious Asian food. I'll try my best to give you something that you can try at home for meal prep. Thank you so much guys for being here. I appreciate it. See you next week.